6-minute workout to slim down your legs in 5 days. Calves are really difficult muscles to tone, but it's not impossible to train them. We've put together a quick and easy workout routine that will help you slim down your legs faster than you think. So put on your sportswear, get ready, and let's do these simple exercises together. Number 1. Split jumps using dumbbells. Hold the dumbbells at your side and lower one knee to the ground in a lunge. Stay in this position for 1 to 2 seconds and then jump up and gently land in another lunge with the other leg. Keep this up for the next 30 seconds. Lunges are an extremely effective exercise. Pretty much every muscle in your lower body is working: quads, glutes, hamstrings, and most importantly, calves. And done! Great job! Number 2. Calf raises. This exercise really targets the calves, hence the name. Stand shoulder width apart, raise your heels off the ground, lower them back down, and go back up again. Make sure your body goes straight upwards, no leaning forward or backward. Let's start! If it feels too easy for you, you can hold some dumbbells for increased resistance. But this isn't recommended for beginners. Add weights only after a couple of weeks of regular exercise. And that's it! Way to go! Number 3. Pistol squats. Hold your arms out in front of you at shoulder level and parallel to the floor. Raise one leg and lower your body as far as you can manage. Pause for about 2 seconds, stand up, and change legs. Go! It's a hard exercise to do, I know, but the results it gives are phenomenal. Regularly doing pistol squats will make your legs strong, slim, and perfectly toned. A couple more seconds. Great! Number 4. Reverse dumbbell lunges. As you can probably guess, you'll also need dumbbells for this exercise. Hold them at your sides and step back into a lunge. Make sure your front knee is at a 90-degree angle. Step back up and switch legs. Let's begin. Reverse lunges hit a lot of important muscle groups, like the glutes, quads, and hamstrings. They also increase your stamina. Keep going. We're almost done. And relax. Now you're ready for the next one. Number 5. Goblet squats. This tough exercise with a funny name hits several muscle groups. Here's how to do it. Hold a dumbbell or a kettlebell against your chest and lower your body as far as you can. Pause for about 2 seconds, then return to the initial position. All clear? Let's try it then. Make goblet squats part of your regular workout routine, and within a couple of weeks, you won't even recognize your own legs. It's a great way to make them both strong and beautiful. And that's it for this exercise. Good work! Number 6. Tiptoe walk. This is another strange-sounding exercise with amazing results. Just don't forget your dumbbells. Hold them at your sides, raise your heels, and walk on your toes for 30 seconds straight. Ready? Start tiptoeing! This workout mostly targets your calves, so it's a great way to slim them down. Don't stop, you're doing great. And done! Take a breather, and then we'll move on to the next exercise. Number 7. Seated calf raises. There are specific machines at the gym designated for this exercise, but if you prefer to work out at home, a chair and a set of dumbbells will do just fine. Make sure the height of the chair seat allows you to have your knees at a 90-degree angle. Raise your heels against the resistance of the machine or weights, and then lower them back down. Your 30 seconds start now. Seated calf raises focus mostly on your soleus, which is one of the muscles that make up your calves. It's important because it plays a major role in the size and shape of your calves. By training it, we slim down our lower legs more effectively. Time's up! See? Piece of cake! Number 8. Farmer's walk. This next exercise is similar to the tiptoe walk we did earlier, but you just walk like you normally would, not on your toes. Make sure that you keep your body straight. And of course, don't forget the dumbbells. And we're off! This exercise might seem too simple to do anything for your muscles, but don't be fooled. Farmer's walk has tons of benefits for your body. It improves your posture, overall strength, agility, and even your work capacity. 3, 2, 1, and stop. Couldn't have done it better myself. Number 9. Jump rope. Going back to the basics with this playground classic. It's not just for little schoolgirls though. Jumping rope carves your leg muscles and is perfect for cardio fitness and balance as well. So, you ready? Let's jump! Regularly jumping rope increases the elasticity of your lower leg muscles, improves your coordination, and helps you stay fit with practically minimal effort. I mean, if kindergartners can do it, adults surely can. Plus, it's fun. Just 5 more seconds. And sadly, that's it for the jump rope. Be honest, did you sing the Kissing in a Tree song? I totally did. Number 10. Mountain climbers. Get into the starting position of a push-up. Pull one knee towards your chest and quickly switch legs. Get ready, because this one will get your heart pumping. Keep it up for the next 30 seconds. Mountain climbers are great for your legs and core. Just make sure that your abs are pulled in tight and your back stays straight if you want this exercise to work properly. 3, 2, 1, and you've completed the whole workout. Save this video to your favorites so that you can come back to it every day and repeat these easy breezy exercises. The results will definitely be worth the time and effort, guaranteed. While you're catching your breath, Here's a little bonus for you to think about. After you do this workout routine for at least a week straight, it's time to add something else to the mix to challenge your body more. How about some stretching? Every trainer, coach, and athlete knows that stretching is just as important as exercising. It improves muscle flexibility, increases blood flow, and decreases the chance of getting an injury. We strongly suggest not skipping it. Also, make it a habit to take the stairs. No more escalators or elevators. You can even make a little workout out of it. Do it for 6 to 10 minutes a few times a week, and the changes in your legs and overall health will surprise you. Just don't do it if you have problems with your knees or ankles. Do you have any tips of your own on how to achieve perfectly toned legs? Tell us in the comment section below. Don't forget to hit the like button and share this video with your friends and subscribe to our channel. There's tons of interesting and useful information on the bright side.